This video will show the assembly process for your Champion 24-inch walk-behind string trimmer. Follow along in your operator's manual. Set the box on a solid, flat surface and open the box to locate all parts and hardware before beginning assembly. Step 1. Assemble the handle. Loosen the two yellow levers and rotate the handle upwards to a comfortable height. Then make sure the adjuster teeth are aligned and tighten the two yellow levers so the handle is securely locked in place. Then gently pull the recoil handle and loop it through the eye bolt on the lower handle. Step 2. Install the trimmer guard. Align the trimmer guard with the 3 holes on the housing near the right side wheel, and use the 3 provided screws to attach the guard and tighten securely with a Phillips screwdriver. Then bend the end of the trimmer guard to fit the slot over the bolt at the bottom of the housing, and tighten the provided nut with a 10mm socket to secure the guard in place. Add engine oil. With the unit on level ground, use the funnel to add the provided engine oil to the engine. Add gasoline. With the unit outdoors, follow the steps in your operator's manual to add the appropriate amount of fresh, regular, unleaded gasoline to the tank. To start the engine, move the choke lever to the choke position and the fuel valve to the open position. Pull the recoil handle slowly until resistance is felt and then pull rapidly. And as the engine warms up, move the choke lever to the run position. With the engine running, squeeze the trimmer head control lever against the upper handle to engage the trimmer head, and release the lever to stop the trimmer head rotation. The handle can easily be adjusted to a comfortable user height by loosening the 2 yellow levers and moving the handle to your desired position. Then align the adjuster teeth and tighten the 2 yellow levers to lock the handle in place. To adjust the trimmer head height, loosen the wing nuts on either side of the trimmer head. Slide the head up or down to the desired height, and securely tighten the 2 wing nuts. To stop the engine at any time, press the engine switch to the off position. Your trimmer assembly is complete. Always inspect your trimmer before each operation and before and after storage, and follow all the safety guidelines in your operator's manual.